In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit photos in Instagram. So let's dive right into the video. The first step you need to take is to go to your Instagram app like this. So now you're on your Instagram app. The next step you need to take is to click on the message icon at the bottom of your screen. So right here is your chat section. Looking there, you can see Meta AI. Now, if you're not seeing it, you can click on the search button at the top of your screen and you're going to be able to see the Meta AI option. So you just simply need to go to it like this. So yeah, in order for you to edit a photo, you need to upload one or give it a prompt in order for it to generate an image for you. So at the bottom here, you can see the plus button. If you click on that and click on imagine. So here you can go ahead and click on create like this and describe the type of image you want it to create for you. Or you can go ahead and select any image here. You can see different type of image here. So let's say you select this cat like this. So this is your cat, as you can see here. So you can add text to it by clicking on it like this. So let's go ahead and click on done. When you click on done, you can see it right here. So looking here, you can see where it says edit with AI below it. So when you click on edit with AI below it, here you can add the style or ideas you want it to appear as. And you can also click on describe edit like this and maybe type in something like this. Add happy birthday to the image. Once you do that, go ahead and click on send. So looking here, the text has been added to the image like this. So this is how you can go ahead and add more ideas and more creativity to your image using your Meta AI in your Instagram app. Once you are done, click on done at the top right corner like this. So when you click on done, you can go ahead and click on the image once more like this. If you want to save it to your device, you can go ahead and click on the three dots icon at the top right corner like this and click on download, and it is going to be saved to your phone gallery. So this is how simple it is to edit photo on Instagram. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to get updated whenever I upload more helpful tips like this. See you in the next one.